How to fix open houses that are poorly attended. This is easy, is not wait until the auction day or not wait till 4 weeks. If you have an open house on a Saturday that you only had 2 or 3 groups through, you want to ensure that the following Thursday or Saturday is not the same situation. And the best way to do that is to get on the phone and speak to buyers from other open for inspections, call orphan data, call buyers that have missed out on other properties. Also, identify a buyer origin suburb of where buyers may come from for that particular area. And it might be 2 or 3 suburbs away. So I'd be highly involved in letterbox dropping and at the same time simultaneously door knocking as well. Another excellent way to generate additional buyers at your open for inspection is broadcasting through SMS and email and all through social media in order to attract that ubiquitous type of energy. And SMS, email and social media are very quick, they're speedy, they're immediate, and using some sort of budget, whether it's $50 or $100, will make a huge impact to your campaign and will assist you at the following week's open for inspection.